been loading up the TrailManor, and I've got several things left to put in there. I've got quite a bit in there already, put the bed sort of together, but I have a couple questions. Well, one question in particular. These tools, I'm not sure which set I should take, or if I should take both, which seems kind of redundant, but this has got like the hammer. Yeah, I got an owie. The hammer, the sockets, a screwdriver, and a whole bunch of bits, or whatever those are called. And then it's got the Allen wrenches. I don't know, it just seems like a pretty well put together kit. And then the other one is just a socket wrench set. I'm thinking that this one here is the one that I probably should take. I want your opinion. The other thing is, I'm leaving. I'm flying to Maryland, and I'll be gone for about 4, 5, maybe 6 weeks. Not sure I can get my laptop in my suitcase. It's pretty full. So if I can get my laptop in my suitcase, then I'll be posting videos here and there. If I can't, then I'll probably just be posting in my Lori's RV Facebook group page, and I'll put that link somewhere. I don't know which side it'll end up on, but I'll put a link somewhere. If not, it'll be down in the video description box. Anyway, I'm going to get the RV unlocked, opened up, and start putting more things in. I need to set up my kitchen table, get it screwed back in. I've got my dishes. There they are. A little cutesy little thing my friend Lori made for me that I'm going to hang up out there somewhere. I really like that. So I'm going to get this stuff out there, get it unlocked, and I'll bring you back. Okay, I just got in the TrailManor. As soon as I open the door, there's this lovely wasp. I wouldn't worry about it so much, except I'm allergic. I'm just going to zoom. I know y'all have seen wasps. Anyway, I am allergic to them. So what do? How do I keep them from getting in here? And how do I get them out once they are in?